To simulate the CyberScout mobile app, you need to understand the concept of mobile app simulation and the tools required to achieve this. CyberScout is an identity theft protection app that provides users with proactive protection and alerts in case of any suspicious activity. First, you need to have a clear understanding of the app's functionality and features. This includes understanding how the app monitors credit reports, scans the dark web for personal data, and provides alerts and support in case of identity theft. Next, you will need to choose a simulation tool. There are several options available, including mobile emulators and simulators. These tools allow you to replicate the app's environment and test its functionality without actually using the app. Once you have chosen a simulation tool, you can start setting up the simulation environment. This involves downloading and installing the tool, configuring the settings to match the app's requirements, and launching the simulation. After setting up the simulation environment, you can start testing the app's features and functionality. This includes simulating different scenarios, such as credit report monitoring and dark web scanning, and verifying that the app responds as expected. Throughout the simulation process, it is essential to follow best practices, such as ensuring the simulation environment is secure and stable, and testing the app's functionality thoroughly. By following these steps, you can effectively simulate the CyberScout mobile app and gain a deeper understanding of its features and functionality. This can be useful for testing and development purposes, as well as for educating users about the app's capabilities and benefits. Overall, simulating the CyberScout mobile app requires a thorough understanding of the app's functionality, the right simulation tools, and a well-planned testing strategy. By taking a structured and methodical approach, you can ensure that the simulation is successful and provides valuable insights into the app's capabilities.